So I'm inspired by my grandmother. My grandmother was a teacher in Spain in very harsh times, in the years 1930s, 40s, 50s, when in Spain we had a civil war. And she was incredible she had classrooms of more than 100 students in the same classroom, and their age range from 6 years old to 16, and she was able to teach them all at the same time and prepare them. And I think her ability to differentiate teaching in that kind of environment for a woman, she was disabled as well, physically disabled, it's just that she was a remarkable woman. I'm inspired by her, and this is for you, Abuelita Virgilia. But for me, the most crucial characteristic that a teacher has to have is passion for what they teach. So I think passion, if you feel passion for it, your students are going to feel that passion, and then engagement is going to be part of the dynamic of your class, and it's going to take you to the moon and back with the students. So I think passion is the most important. I also think it's very important to be flexible, because we need to meet our students at the level that they are at, and from there we need to push them, but all the students are at different levels and we need to acknowledge that. So we need to be flexible with our lesson plans, and they of course need to be challenging, but also they need to be accessible for the students. And maybe the last characteristic, but not the least important, is the empathy. So teachers need to learn about the students, their background, their struggles, and that way find a connection with the students, so they can engage in your classes and your message.